Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your earbuds Sony. And right here at the left headphone we have all controls. And let's get started with the middle one. If you press one time on this button, you will play or pause the song. I press one time and I just pause the song, I press again and I play a song. To increase the volume, you need to use volume up button what have a plus icon. So just press on it, and as you can see on this widget I increase the volume. To lower the volume, use volume down button what have a minus icon, and just press on it, and you will lower the volume. To play a next track, you need to press and hold at the volume up button. So press and hold on it, and as you can see we just swap to the next track. To play previous track you need to press and hold at the volume down button. So press and hold on it, and it also works. Also, if you press 2 times on your multifunctional button in the middle, you will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So press 2 times, 1, 2, and now Siri should awake. Yeah, and as you can see it works. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!